Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today's Quranic lesson is derived from the verse 46 of Surah Al-Kahf. المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا. To understand it better, let's analyze it word by word. This verse has two clauses. There are two clauses in this verse. المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا is first clause, and والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا is second clause. Both clauses are in nominal sentence. Nominal sentence, which we call Jumlatun Ismiya in Arabic, starts with a subject, that is Al-Malu wal-Banun, and it is followed by a predicate, which is Zinatul Hayat Dunya. Predicate actually gives information about the subject. So here predicate Zinatul Hayat Dunya is describing this subject, Al-Mal wal-Banuna. Al-Mal means wealth. It's a noun meaning wealth, and Alif Lam here it's a definite article, which means the. It makes the subject specific. Wal Banun, it's a plural noun, means children or sons. Zinatul Hayati Dunya, Zina means adornment, it's a noun, it means adornment or decoration. Al-Hayat Dunya, Al-Hayat is a noun meaning life. Ad-Dunya here is adjective, which is describing Al-Hayat meaning worldly. Worldly. This clause together means wealth and children are the adornment of worldly life. Wealth, children are the adornment of worldly life. This is how it means. Wal-Baqiyatu Salihat actually is quite similar to the structure of the first one, of the first clause. The thing that is different in this clause is Thawabun wa Khairun Amala. Wal-Baqiyatu Salihat, Al-Baqiyatu Salihat means it is again subject. Khair inda rabbika, khair is khabar, predicate. Al-Baqiyatu Salihat, Al-Baqiyatu Salihat mean lasting good deeds. As-Salihat means good, and Al-Baqiyatu Salihat lasting deeds. So Al-Baqiyatu Salihat together means lasting good deeds. Khair is again predicate, and it gives information about Al-Baqiyatu Salihat. Khair means better. Inda Rabbika, Inda is adverb of place, which means near or in the sight of Allah. Inda Rabbika, Rabb, Lord, in the sight of your Lord. Rabb, Lord. So Al-Baqiyatu As-Salihatu Khairun Inda Rabbika will mean that your lasting good deeds are better in the Rabbika, in the sight of your Lord, in the sight of Allah. Thawaban wa Khairun Amala. Thawaban is actually a specification. The question arises here that these lasting deeds are better in the sight of Allah, but in what way? In terms of what? This Tamiz clarifies that these lasting deeds are better in the sight of Allah in terms of sawab, in terms of reward. So this Tamiz clarifies these lasting deeds are better in terms of reward. Wa khairun amala, again in terms of hope, or as a source of hope. These two clauses would mean like Al-Malu wal-Banuna Zinatul Hayat Dunya, wealth and children are the adornment of worldly life. Wal-Baqiyatu Salihat, and lasting good deeds, Khairun, better, Inda Rabbika, in the sight of Allah, Thawaban, in terms of reward, and as a source of hope. This verse highlights that the wealth can make life easier and having children can make the world feel better. But a person is recognized by his knowledge, not by his wealth, by his kindness, not by his authority and power, by his compassion, not by his harshness. It motivates us that we should understand while there is still time that you will be evaluated by your actions, not by your possessions. المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا. This wealth and your children can be zina of this world, can be adornment of this world, but not the qima and value of this world. You will be evaluated by your actions, not by your possessions. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.